Hello friends, welcome to day 6 of science. It's good to see you. Today it's a sunny day, so I hope you get the chance to go outside and get some fresh air. Today we're going to continue reading and writing about asteroids. We're going to start with our vocabulary. So first, listen to the words and repeat after me. Telescope, rough, crater, surface. Let's start with telescope. This one's a cognate, so use what you know about Spanish and the picture to help you. What do you think telescope could mean? Telescope is telescopio. Now let's look at rough. Let's read the definition. Opposite of smooth, bumpy. Okay, so smooth and rough are opposites. Let's look at some examples. This is smooth. My cup is smooth. It doesn't have any bumps. But look at my shoe. At the bottom, it has lots of bumps. They keep me from falling down. The bottom of my shoe is rough. So rough. Rough means áspero. Listen to how rough is pronounced. Think about what sounds do you hear the GH making in this word? Rough. Listen again. Rough. In this word, the GH makes the f sound. Sometimes at the end of words, the GH makes the f sound. Let's read it together. Rough. Good. Now let's look at the word crater. Look at the picture. Crater is a hole that's made on a planet, a moon, or an asteroid when another object in the solar system crashes into it. In Spanish, it's called cráter. And the last word is surface. Look at the pictures. This up here, the ocean and land, are the surface of the earth. They're the top layer. Here, the very top of the water is the surface. Surface, superficie. Okay, now let's practice the words with hand gestures. Please repeat the word and the gesture after me. Are you ready? Telescope, rough, crater, surface. Let's do it again. Ready? Telescope, rough, crater, surface. Great. Now please pause the video and practice the words and the hand gestures on your own. Great. Did you practice the words? Now we are going to look at the reading. First, we are going to look for our vocabulary in the reading and highlight it. I'll do the first one. I see the vocabulary word telescope, so I'm going to highlight it. Please do the same on your paper. Now it's your turn. Please pause the video and highlight your vocabulary words in the text. Great. Did you find all 4 words? Now I want you to look for other words that you know. Ahora vamos a buscar otras palabras que sabemos. For example, I know the word helps means ayudar. So I'm going to highlight helps. Por ejemplo, yo sé que la palabra help significa ayudar, así que voy a subrayarlo. Please pause the video and highlight the words that you know. Por favor, pausa el video y subrayar las palabras que tú sabes en el texto. Okay, great job. Now we're going to read. First, listen and follow with your finger as I read. Point to a telescope. Are you ready? A telescope helps scientists see asteroids. Many asteroids have rough craters like those found on the moon's surface. Let's look at the picture. Do you see any craters on the surface of this asteroid? Look, here they are. How does the text describe the craters? The text describes the craters as rough. They are not smooth. Okay, let's read the next sentence. Point to the word some. Some asteroids are as small as a house. Others, others means otros. Other what? What are we talking about here? We have to look back at the other sentence. Other asteroids. Other asteroids are almost, casi, as big as a planet. Okay, so we see that there's asteroids with many different sizes. Some are as small as a house, others are almost, casi, as big as a planet. Okay, now we're going to read the text again. This time I want you to read with me. Vamos a leerlo en voz alta juntos. A telescope helps scientists see asteroids. Many asteroids have rough craters like those found on the moon's surface. Some asteroids are as small as a house. Others are almost as big as a planet. Okay, great job. Now please pause the video and read the text out loud on your own. Ahora please da pausa al video y lee el texto en voz alta. Después puedes seguir con el video. Okay, now we're going to look at the activity for day 6. For part 1, let's read the directions together. It says, use the information from day 5 and day 6 readings to compare and contrast asteroids and planets. What does it mean to compare? Compare is when we say what is the same or similar. What does it mean to contrast? Contrast is when we say what is different. So on this side, we're going to write asteroids. Please label it on your paper. And on the other side, we're going to write about planets. Please label it on your paper. So we're going to compare and contrast asteroids and planets. Here we'll write what is different. And here we'll write what is the same, what they both have in common. Let's start with asteroids. What's a difference between asteroids and planets? We can say asteroids are smaller than planets. That's my example. What other examples can you think of? Okay, now let's think about planets. Go ahead, write your own example for planets. What's something that's different about planets that's not true for asteroids? Pause the video and continue once you think of something for planets. Okay, great job. Now we're going to think about what's the same. We're going to compare. What's something similar that both asteroids and planets have? I remember from yesterday's reading that both orbit the sun. Orbit the sun. What other things can you think of that are the same for asteroids and planets? Please add more examples. You can pause the video now and continue once you have more examples. Now that we finished our Venn diagram, we're ready to do part 2. Let's read the directions. Compare and contrast planets and asteroids. Use the sentence frames. Okay, so we have blank and blank. So what are we comparing and contrasting right now? Planets and asteroids are similar because both. Similar and both. Are these words comparing or contrasting? These are comparing. This is a sentence I can use to compare. Let's do this one together. Planets and asteroids are similar because both. Let's look back at our Venn diagram. What's something similar that we put? Oh, they both orbit the sun. So I'm going to finish my sentence with this example from our Venn diagram. Because both orbit the sun. Finish my sentence with a period. Go ahead and write your own sentence comparing planets and asteroids. What else did you put? What else is similar? Pause the video and continue once you have your own sentence. Okay, great. Now we're going to use this sentence to contrast. Blank and blank are different because blank but blank. So again, we're comparing and contrasting planets and asteroids are different because, so now I have to choose a difference. I can say asteroids, I'm going to look back at my Venn diagram, asteroids are smaller than planets. I'm going to finish my sentence. Asteroids are smaller than planets. What other differences did you write about? Go ahead and add your own example, another sentence about the differences. Okay, have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Please remember to send me a picture of your homework when you finish. I can't wait to see how you compare and contrast planets and asteroids.